Good morning, one and all. And Saturday on August the 10th, I am here in Collierville today, Collierville, Tennessee, in the deep south, because there is one of my favorite all-time hobbies was, and still is, trains, railroads, anything about the railroad. Train shows, train exhibits, museums about trains, because when I was 6 years old, my uncle worked on the Arkansas Railroad in Little Rock, and um, his name was Uncle Ray. And when I was 6 years old, I spent the day with him, and he took me down to the rail yard, where absolutely anything you can imagine happens down there. From train car switches to turntables to the stations where they fix the engines and make sure everything's up to code and up to standards, everything else. And so today I decided to, and he actually, my Uncle Ray, he invited me up into one of the engines and met with one of the engineers. I met him. I don't know. I cannot remember his name. But he actually let me sit in the captain's chair, engineer seat, and allowed me to. He showed me all how the levers worked and how they got the engine running, the locomotive running, I should say, and it was a fantastic experience up there. And so today we're here in Collierville, Tennessee, for a train show. And so we're just going to kind of go and see what this is all about. Follow me. As soon as we can get out. Okay. Alright, so let's get started.